I'm not gonna lie. It is an exciting day, ladies and gentlemen. 4 months of waiting for the most in-demand camera of 2024, I think. It's my first camera purchased in bazonkers, but we're gonna do a bit of an unboxing. Star Trek has delivered my goodies, and we are going to see the most sought after camera from Fujifilm, the X100vi. After placing the order back in the beginning of April, she has finally arrived. Never have I been so excited for a brand new camera in so long. It is my first camera purchase in bazonkers. So I want to share it with you all because this is going to be my daily camera based on what everyone has reviewed on it so far and the feedback that's been given about this thing. It is the sort of beautiful everyday camera. So here it is. It's in my possession. It's in my hands. Check it out. I've got it. So let's see what's in the box, shall we? Let's open her up. So with it, I also got the Nessie filter and hood. I also got the beautiful Cinebloom filter. I've got a small rig thumb grip thing that I'm going to open, and I've got some protectors that I've got from AliExpress. So let's see what this thing is all about, shall we? Yeah, everyone's seen the review. I'm pretty sure you guys have, guys and girls, but this is just a quick unboxing of it. Here we go. First things first, thank you very much, Capture One, for a free trial. Might check that out. And that's it. Bam. All brand new in the box. What else do you get in the box? Actually, it's been... What else do we have here? So when I ordered it, I was like number 4,000 or something in line because I didn't get wave 1. I was like, do I get this or do I not? Brand new battery. Fantastic. Brand new battery. There she is. There's nothing else in the box. That was it. What else do you get? You get... I don't know what this is. These little tabs things here. Oh, looks like it's to put on the side for like straps and so forth. Oops, made a mess of that. Got 2 little hooks things over here. You get these 3 pieces. I don't know what these 3 pieces are for. You get a charge cable, USB one end, USB-C on the other end, and you get a Fujifilm. I bet you it's a Fujifilm strap. I'm gonna go with the Peak design, I think. But yes, you do get the Fujifilm strap. So that is what is in the box today. But let's have a look at the bad boy itself. Straight and fresh. So I was number 4,000, and then I called 2 months later and I was number 2,000. And then I called 2 weeks ago, I was on number 20. And today she's in my hand and in my possession. Beautiful. This thing is gonna be great. The feel, I like it. I like its compactness. Now they are right about the grip. The grip part feels very shallow. Feels shallow. All right. So that part is done. Bam, camera is here. Let's put on the small rig. So I got the small rig thumb grip. she is. Opening that up. Small rig. Cool. So that goes over. So that goes into this little pocket here. Apparently this little thing, oh yeah, I can see why. First time using a thumb grip, everyone. First time. I can see why it comes in handy. It's good. For that little shot zone. Alright, that's cool. And you know, just to give it an element of oomph, we've got this beautiful little, oh, there we go, look at that. Just a touch of red is all you need. Bang. And it is, to me, this is stealth. This is stealth, and it looks like a point and shoot. So when I'm doing street photography, it's going to be great. Here we go. Oh man, she is beautiful. But that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll get all the other stuff on it in a moment. But that to me is an awesome little portable camera for everyday life. And I've watched countless reviews from other YouTubers raving on about this thing. So I personally cannot wait to give it a go and just to shoot to my heart's content. And I am actually looking forward to this no editing business. Editing straight in body, my God. For the lazy guy in me, that's something I'm excited about. All right, so the Nessie combination we're rocking today. We've got the cap, the lens hood, and the UV filter. And there she is. I'm unboxing everything today. Where is my trusty knife? Give me a second. I'm getting a knife just to cut her up. Why not use a steak knife? All right. Look at that thing, sharp as hell. I'm excited. My God. I am excited. All right. That is good. That is good. So there's the cap, it's the hood, and here's the filter. There's the filter. Does it go straight on? Is that how it works? I don't know how this thing works. Ooh, it's my first time doing this. I don't know. It's meant to be a hood ring. Oh, here we go. Yep. For those who don't know, I'm new to this, so forgive me. That comes off first, and then this bad boy comes on, right? Perfect. And there we have the UV filter. Bang. And hood. Here's the hood. Bang. There you go. Beautiful. How's that for a setup? That is not bad, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let me straighten that up. That it doesn't look bad. Beautiful. Battery in. I'm excited to go shooting again. It's been so long. Battery in there, and the SD card in there. I'll pop one in later. That is now in, and she's up, and we're good to go with all the settings. So time to get it set up. But that's my little unboxing for the most wanted piece of camera device of 2024, from what I've been told. But I'm excited to start shooting with this, give you guys my thoughts in a few weeks when I actually get some mileage on this thing. But so far, I'm just excited that it's in my hands. So how fun. How very, very, very fun. All right. Check it out. Come back for more. Like and subscribe if you dig what I'm doing on this channel. Just talking about life, just talking about cameras, talking about whatever thing that I like. And just practicing, just making some content for myself and the world. But I'm digging it. So come back. Yeah. I'm ready to start shooting with this damn thing. All right. Have a great day. Peace out.